Meet ka dyan. Akin ba yan? Oh. Woo! Ano na ka? Sa gubit na gawad Aiza? Isang malakas sa hilaw! Oh!
Galaw-galaw!
Galaw-galaw, baka may stroke yung may birthday.
Ay, oh!
Head over heels, but should I go? Can't stop myself, having control. Head over heels, no time to think. Looks like the whole world out of the sink.